use, charge, and change a camcorder battery. The power supply of a camcorder is definitely one of the most important components in the device. It should not be taken for granted. In order for a camcorder battery to give its maximum capable service to you, you need to know how to properly take good care of it. This is because not only that a defective battery can sacrifice the quality of the product, but it can also be a big hassle for you. The proper caring of camcorder batteries, same as phone batteries, is not limited to how it is being handled alone. It actually starts from the time it is purchased until the time that a new one is needed. This covers how it is used, charged, and changed. So to give you guidelines on how to get the maximum service from camcorder and even phone batteries, you may check the following list. Charging. You always need to take note that all new batteries like camcorder batteries, cordless phone batteries, and video camera batteries come in a discharged state. Therefore, it needs 3 to 4 hours of charging before use or whatever the charging instructions of the battery suggest. Also, when a digital camcorder battery is being charged for the first time, it is a normal occurrence that it will indicate that charging is completed just after 10 or 15 minutes. When this happens, remove the battery from the camcorder, reinsert it, and do the charging process again. It is also a must to condition the battery in a 2 or 3 week interval. When you say condition, a rechargeable battery needs to be fully discharged before inserting it in a camcorder or Viewcam charger. Avoid connecting and disconnecting the camcorder in short intervals to keep away from irregular charging of the battery. Do not charge non-rechargeable batteries as this can cause fire. It is a good idea to get a universal camcorder or Viewcam charger with a conditioner to help cycle the battery for you. Usage. If you will not be using the digital camcorder battery, cordless phone battery, or video camera battery for a long time, like a month or longer, it needs to be removed from the device and stored in a dry, cool, and clean place. Do not store rechargeable batteries near metal parts. Do not leave the batteries in places where there is high temperature. These might self-discharge quickly. Do not discharge the battery to full zero. Changing it is fine to use different brands of universal batteries in one device, however, you cannot use different types. It is a big no-no to mix rechargeable and non-rechargeable batteries as it may cause problems in the device as well. A digital camera pack is usually made up of individual battery cells. So when you purchase batteries to make it into a pack, it is good to equalize the charge of the batteries before the pack is built. It is not too late to take proper care for your digital camcorder batteries. On the other hand, if you have new ones, then start using it properly. Not only will your outputs benefit in the long run but your budget as well. So, start practicing the right way of taking care for your camcorder battery, just like how you want to take care of your camcorder.